As drone threats continue to rise on the battlefield, the United States is striking back. On June 7, 2025, in the heart of Europe, at the Joint Multinational Readiness Center, Herrenfels, Germany, US soldiers launched a cutting-edge military exercise called Project Flytrap. This operation involves troops from the 3rd Squadron, 2nd Cavalry Regiment and the 5th Battalion, 4th Air Defense Artillery Regiment. Their mission: to test the latest low-cost, portable counter-UAS technologies against simulated enemy drones. Using lightweight systems called Wingman and Pitbull, these soldiers can detect incoming drones in real time, small enough to carry on your back, but powerful enough to jam or locate enemy UAVs instantly. A total game-changer in modern asymmetric warfare. With digital air displays, soldiers gain a complete battlefield picture and can act fast before drones strike. But detection is just the beginning. Soldiers also trained with the Smartshooter Smash 2000L, a precision targeting system mounted on their M401 carbines. It uses artificial intelligence to lock onto drones and helps soldiers shoot them out of the sky with deadly accuracy. This is the future of ground combat. Smart rifles, smarter soldiers to complete the system. Troops from the Air Defense Battalion operated the MPQ-64 Sentinel radar. This radar scans the skies, tracks airborne threats, and feeds that information directly to troops on the ground. With radar, smart weapons, and real-time detection, Project Flytrap becomes one of the most advanced anti-drone exercises ever conducted by the US Army in Europe. This isn't just training, this is a message. The US military is ready to face drone threats anytime, anywhere. If enemy UAVs enter the sky, they'll be met with instant and lethal response. Is this the beginning of a new era in drone warfare? And who will rise next to challenge this technology? The battlefield is evolving, and America is once again leading the way. Like and subscribe for more military tech updates.